MashaAllah. Our brother Vivek is very learned. He has read the Quran, MashaAllah. Our brother Vivek has read the Quran. And I do agree with him, Surah Baqarah. He's quoting the verse of the Quran from Surah Baqarah, chapter number 2, verse number 34. He says, we told to the angels, bow down, all bow down except Iblis. This is mentioned not only in Surah Baqarah, it is mentioned minimum 7 times in the Quran. In Surah Araf, chapter number 7, Surah Hijr, chapter number 15, Surah Kahf, chapter number 18. Same thing. We told to the angels, bow down, all bowed down except Iblis. So now Iblis objected. So from this we come to know that Iblis, if we read the translation, we understand Iblis was an angel. We think. But if you read in Surah Kahf, chapter number 18, verse number 50, it says that we asked to the angels bow down, all bowed down except Iblis. Iblis was amongst the jinn. You understand? So Iblis was a jinn. So now you tell me, Brother Zakir, 7 places Allah said to the angels, bow down, all bow down except Iblis, means angel. Now 1 place in the Quran says he was a jinn. So there's a contradiction. Correct? It's a contradiction because this is the translation. In Arabic language, there is a law called as law of taglib. Taglib means if the majority is addressed, the minority need not be addressed. For example, if there are 99 doctors and 1 engineer, and if I say all doctors stand up, even that engineer will stand up. Because in the law of taglib, in Arabic grammar, the majority is addressed, minority is. I need not say all doctors and 1 engineer stand up. But in English language, if I say all doctors stand up, only doctors will stand up, that 1 engineer will not stand. So nowhere does the Quran say that Iblis was an angel, nowhere. We, because of the translation and lack of Arabic knowledge, we think, we assume. Many of the Muslims also assume. But the Quran clarifies in Surah Kahf, chapter 18, verse number 50, that Iblis was a jinn. And jinn, like the human beings, have a free will. So, amongst the angels, there was 1 jinn also present, who was Iblis. He was very pious. But his arrogance, that why should I bow down to Adam? He's made from mud. I'm made from fire. Arrogance. That made him disobey Almighty God. He was a jinn. Even human beings and jinn both have a free will. They can disobey God. So here they disobey God, and that's the reason he was taken out, and he is the biggest Satan. And now he tries to attract the people who are on the path of God and tries to distract them from the remembrance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I hope that answers the question.